Alright, super quick unboxing video here. I've been waiting to get these shoes in for a long time, and they just finally came in, but it's finals week, so here's the quick unboxing. Alright, so came in a little package like this, nothing special. So as you can see, it's VivoBarefoot. I've been getting into more minimalist shoes, so I think it's really important. We got them all the way out now, and as you can see, there's a pretty wide toe box here, which is kind of the point. These are supposed to be minimalist, natural shoes, which is why in there they say natural. Yeah, I've been learning about how important it is to be trying to get to minimalist shoes. I have always liked minimalist shoes anyway, so yeah, this is part of the switch process. So we'll switch over to some in-action shots here right now. So wore the shoes around now for about a day. The leather needs to break in a decent bit. It's kind of stiff and it'll dig into the ankle a bit. But overall, they're pretty good shoes. I like the Minimalist. I think it's going to be good and have some good benefits. The supply chain needs to have some work for VivoBarefoot. It took way too long to get those shoes in, so that kind of soured me on the whole experience. But I think they'll be good here in the long run. So yeah, I like them.